welcome to my channel. My name is Vanji. In today's video, we're going to learn some new vocabulary related to working in an office. This is useful if you want to learn or improve your business Chinese and expand your vocabulary list. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notifications. Alright, let's get into the video. First and foremost, let's learn the word office. 办公室办公室 desk 桌子桌子 The other way to say it is 办公桌办公桌 office desk. And of course we have chair in the office 椅子椅子 Just like the desk, we can also say it 办公椅办公椅 office chair. Laptop 笔记本电脑笔记本电脑 Sometimes it might be a little bit confusing because people call it 笔记本 as a shortened form. So 笔记本 this phrase could mean notebook or laptop. Now let's see the screen. 屏幕 Keyboard 键盘 Wireless mouse 无线鼠标 Wireless 无线 Mouse 鼠标 Next one we have printer 打印机 Print 打印 Paper 白纸 Copier 复印机 Copy 复印 Telephone 电话 Stapler 订书机 Hole puncher 打孔机 Calculator 计算器 Calculate 计算 Calendar 日历 Files 档案 Paperclip 回形针 Binder clip We have two ways to say it. One is 长尾夹 The other one is 燕尾夹 Memo 便利贴 Stamp 印章 Projector 投影仪 Meeting room 会议室 Meeting 会议 Sometimes you may need to give a presentation in front of your colleagues. Give a presentation in Chinese is 做汇报 Another way to say it is 做演讲 That's all for today's video. Please let me know what you think about this video. If you want to learn more business Chinese and practical Chinese, please subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram. I will see you in the next video. 再见 Bye!